How to remove relationship status on Facebook profile. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. And I use iOS, okay, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the gear icon. In settings and privacy, okay, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the profile details. Okay, you can tap this and scroll down, and here you can see the relationship section. Here I married, so you can see here the married relationship status of my profile. So if you want to remove this, okay, you'll have to do is tap the pencil icon on the right side of this married, okay, and the pop-up below are show. Okay, here you can see the edit relationship button. Okay, you can tap this, and now here in edit relationship section, you can see below the remove button. Okay, you can tap the remove button and you can see the pop-up, and now here remove relationship status. There will no longer be a relationship status on your profile. This update will not appear in newsfeed. Okay, you'll have to do to remove the relationship status on Facebook profile is tap the remove button on the pop-up. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully removed relationship status on Facebook profile. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.